Okay, again, this question says the trail to a waterfall is 4 1/5 miles long. The trail to an overlook is 1 2/3 times as long as the trail to the waterfall. Which best describes the length of the trail to the overlook? Well, we're describing a trail to a waterfall and then a trail to an overlook. So I need a chart to keep my information organized. I have a waterfall and I have an overlook. I know that the trail to the waterfall is, and is means equals, 4 1/5. But to the overlook, it says it equals 1 2/3 times as long as the trail to the waterfall. What do I know about the waterfall? I know the waterfall is 4 1/5. So here I have an equation that I need to solve. So I'm going to rewrite it down below for some more workspace. Turn my mixed numbers into improper fractions with times and plus, times and plus. My denominator stays the same. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. My denominator stays the same. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. 3 times 5 is 15. Let me come over and work out 21 times 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So I have 105 over 15 in and out. Work that part of my problem out. 15 goes into 105. Well, it goes into 1 0 times, a 0 on the top and the bottom. And slide. 15 does not go into 10 either, so a 0 on the top and the bottom. And slide. Now to figure out how many times 15 will go into 105. Well, I know that 15 times 2 is 30, so 2 30s is 60. So if 2 15s is 30, then 4 15s is 60. So I need to go higher than 60 or higher than 15 times 4. So why don't I jump up and say 15 times 7? 15 times 7, that's 35, carry the 3. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Oh, I have my 105. So I'll say 7 and put my 105 on the bottom, subtract, and get 0. So I was working this out here, so I'll X that out and put my answer. I have a remainder of 0, so I know that my answer is whole number 7. So which is bigger, 4 1/5 or 7? 7 is greater, so I'm going to put some notes on here and say that this is bigger and this is smaller. And see if these notes help me. Let's go back to my question. Which best describes the length of the trail to the overlook? So I'm focusing here. The trail is 5 13/15 long. Well, that's not true because it's 7. The trail is no more than 6 miles long. Well, that's not true because it is more than 6. It's 7. The trail is 7 miles long. Ding, ding. The trail is more than 8 miles. It's not more than 8 because it's only 7. So C is the correct answer here. Tomorrow you will take your quiz on this. So if you have any questions or need some extra practice, send me a message and I'll be glad to do a video chat with you. Or if we can work some problems online, we can do that as well. Thank you very much.